We guide you through how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps so you can get clear spoken directions while driving or walking. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your phone, then tap your profile icon in the top right and go to Settings. From there, select Navigation Settings and make sure guidance volume is turned on. Choose soft, normal, or loud depending on what you prefer. Next, check that Play Voice over Bluetooth is enabled if you are using a car stereo or wireless AirPods. After that, go back to the main map, enter your destination, and tap Start. If you still don't hear anything, make sure your phone's media volume is turned up, not just the ring volume. On iPhone, also confirm that the ringer switch is not set to silent. Once everything is set, Google Maps will read to turn by turn directions aloud so you can navigate safely without needing to look at your screen.